Stop scrolling if you love okra stew. Welcome back to Tina Loves Nutri Kitchen. Today, I'm preparing a rich and nutritious okra stew. So I started by washing my chicken with lemon to keep it fresh and clean, and then place it on fire and begin to add in my vegetables or my ingredients. So I went in with the onions, tomatoes, pepper, carrots, and my garlic and ginger blend to build flavorful base. You know, these vegetables, they are not only delicious but also nutritious. Tomatoes are rich in vitamins and antioxidants. Carrots are also great for the eye health. Garlic and ginger helps in supporting the immune system. So after cooking for a while, I blended the vegetables and poured them back into the pot to create a smooth and tasty base. Next, I added both the dried blended okra and fresh okra. You know, okra is also a great source of fiber and helps support healthy digestion. Finally, I added a little salt and some red oil, which is palm oil. Then I allowed everything to simmer together. And just like that, our delicious homemade okra stew is ready. Nutritious, flavorful, and made with love. As the name goes, Tina Love. So if you enjoyed this recipe and healthy cooking, don't forget to subscribe. Tina Loves Nutri Kitchen. And I was seeing so. Messing with Kirase. When I was seeing so, Betty, I was with a can. And this one you can pair it with your banku, your TZ, your some tribes in Ghana eat this with fufu. Myself, I can eat this one with fufu, the pounded yam or cassava with plantain fufu.